Offering breathable, easy-to-move-in, cold-weather protection for high-output runs, our men's windshield pants turn the days you want to stay inside into days you wish you could stay out longer. Light, stretchy, soft-shell fabric blocks gusts. A durable water-repellent finish made without perfluorinated chemicals, also known as forever chemicals, sheds light snow, slush, and drizzle. Behind the knees, panels of thin, fleecy material insulate while venting heat, so you stay warm enough to keep moving without sweltering. The pants are lined with airy, wicking, capilene-cool, lightweight fabric for fast-drying comfort next to skin. Zippered side pockets hold your phone, keys, or the hat you inevitably wind up ditching after 2 miles. And zippered, stretch-woven ankle gussets make for easy on-off over running shoes. With the men's windshield pants, snow, sleet, and freezing wind are no reason to slow down.